guys, I just hope everyone is doing well because I'm also fine. So in this lesson, what I'll be doing arithmetic sequence, which we also called as a linear pattern. So what I'll be doing on arithmetic sequence, guys, I'll be finding what you call a general equation. And here I just forgot to put some dot. Those dot, they represent that sequence there. It's continuing there. A sequence, guys, it's a pattern. Please don't get confused with those words. So this sequence, guys, it is continuing there. Do you see? Meaning that this pattern is continuing. So for you guys to find out what a general equation, you should understand that the general equation of a linear pattern, it's like this there. It is just like this, that general equation. Do you see? What you should know A and D. Once you know those two values, you are done. But now, how do you get them? Let's start with D. For you to find a D, guys, it's a difference. This is how you find a difference. You just say right, subtract by left. Right, subtract by left. Right, subtract by left. Right, subtract by left. If I'm looking with these two numbers, it will be like this. Do you see? Yeah. Please, guys, don't do those mistakes of saying 14, subtract that one. You can't be looking with this one. You only look the numbers which are next to each other. Don't look the one which is there. No. You don't do that one. So if there I can subtract those two numbers, what will I get? So this subtract by this, here I get 6. What about for this one? This subtract by this, also here I got 6. So this thing there tells me that my difference, guys, it's equal there. It look the same. It's common. They look the same. Meaning that this thing there, it's a first difference there, which is our D. Then for A, guys, for you to find the value for A, you should understand that the value for A, it will be the first term. These are the terms that we have. It's term 1, term 2, term 3, and until whatever. That pattern, guys, it continue. Do you see? So for you again now to find A first term represent the value for A, which is that first term there, it's 2. So now I know the information, which is A and D. So let me go to this equation now. So this equation, I prefer, guys, to come and do it here. This is the equation that I have. Just like this then, you see. But you should also know this equation. This is a main equation, guys, that you should know. Practice just to know this thing, guys. So now what I can do, let me substitute there. Substituting here, guys, our A, it's 2, which is N. All the time, guys, when you substitute the value for D, just put it inside a bracket. Even if it's positive or it's negative. That one there, it's positive. You can even put it inside a bracket there. But for the value for A, guys, don't worry too much about the value for A. You can just put it the way it is. But for the one of D, make sure it is inside a bracket. Because those brackets, guys, what are they represent? They represent multiply. This will multiply inside there. So something like this then. This multiply there, we got 1. This there, give me this. This multiply there, give me this there. Just use your calculator, guys. 1 multiplied by 6. This is what I get then. Then if now it's negative 1 multiplied by 6, this is what I get then. And now I can see that here a number to a number. But this one there I can't collect because it have N, this one. Meaning I can't collect with the numbers. Do you see? So all of these, I will drop them the way they are. Dropping this thing even as well as this. But this, I can just come and put it here, this one. Just like this there, 2 minus by this. So here I get what? I got negative 4. So meaning here I got negative 4. This is what, guys, we call a general equation. This general equation, it is the one that generates that pattern there. It is the one that generates a sequence. I will show you guys like how does it generate a sequence. Let me come and do this question there, this one. Then for this one there, you also do the same thing, guys. You find D and A. For you to find a D, you just say right, subtract by left. Here, right, subtract by left. So which is this thing there, if I can press from my calculator, this subtract by this. So it means that I will get what? This. Then even as well as this one, I will get this. As you can see, guys, our difference there, it's equal. That's negative 3. This is what you call a a difference there. It is -3 there. Do you see? So now I know the difference. Let me find a value for A. Here I got term 1, I got term 2, I got term 3. The first term, which is term 1, it is representing the value for A, which is that first term there, it's 10. So now I know this one. Do you see? So once I know, guys, these two information, our D is equal to -3, our A is equal to 10. So what I will do, I'll go straight to this question then. I'll go to this equation. Then I'll just substitute here. Let's just substitute, guys. So substituting our A, it's 10. Then substituting our D, make sure you put it inside a bracket, guys. Just inside a bracket. Do you see this thing? And now what I can do, I will expand there to remove brackets. These are the brackets that I have. They represent multiply. I will expand there so that those brackets, they will be removed. And when I expand, I'm aware that here I got invisible 1. So this is what will happen there. It will be 1 multiplied by what? By -3. Meaning that I will get -3. So this thing, they will give me -3n, but these two things, guys, they will give me positive, because I know that when I multiply the same sign, I get +3 here. Then all of this one there, I will drop it the way it is, because I didn't affect. I'll drop this thing the way it is. Here we got negative. Do you see? So if you can take a look, guys, here's a number to a number. This thing there, it has an n, so you can't say that thing it's a number. This, it is a term, actually. It is a term, and it doesn't have any like term. This is just a term there. But this one, it's a number to a number. So what I will do there, I will collect those two numbers there, which is 10 plus this. I got what? I got 13, which will be positive. These two of them, I'll drop them the way they are, because I didn't affect them. Do you see this thing? So which is this thing? It's like this, guys. So this, it's a final answer of this question, which is this thing there. It is what you call a general equation. Do you see? So a general equation, guys, what you should understand about it. A general equation, it is the one that generates the pattern there, the sequence. What does that thing mean? It means that as I have this thing there as my general equation, this is how it generates there. Let me come and write this thing here with a blue pen. So here I got my general equation, which is -3n plus 13 there. So I know that on term 1, this thing there, it's term 1, meaning that where there is n, I can put that what? That 1 there. Where there is n, I'll put that 1 there, according to the what? To the equation. And the moment I put that 1, that thing there, it will, when I press, it will give me that 10 there. Do you see? Then if now I go to term 2, meaning that where there is n, I'll just put that 2. Where there is n here, I'll put that 2, because they, remember, guys, here we got n, here we got n. So if here there is 1, it means also that there must be 1. If here there is 2, here there must be 2. If here there is 3, here there must be 3. That's why here I say that if I got 2, I should put 2 there. So meaning that on term 2, I should get that 7 there. If you don't believe me, guys, you can even press your calculator there. Try to prove this thing there. Here for term 1 is this. That's 10. Then if now it's 2, that's 7. Then what about if it's 3? If there is 3, it must be 4. Do you see? Yeah, that's what, guys, a general equation does there. Do you see? Even as well as on this side there. So on this side, guys, we got this term, which is this thing there. It's my general equation for term 1, meaning that where there is n, I can put 1 there, just like this term, which is here, it's this, here this, guys, it's minus, it's negative there. So that I should get 2 there. So let me just press for you, just like this term, minus this. You see what I get? I got 2 there. Do you see? So what about if here there is 2 for term 2 there? Meaning that if I can say this one is my equation. If I'm talking about term 2, where there is n, I can put 2 there. The moment I do that, I'll end up getting that 8. Do you see? So this thing there, it proves to you that a general equation, it is the one that generates what? A sequence there, or generate a pattern. Please guys, take note, pattern and the sequence, it's one and the same thing. It's just that on grade 11 they will name it as a pattern, but on grade 12 they will name it as a what? As a sequence there. And in grade 11 there, it's a linear pattern. Then in grade 12 they call it arithmetic sequence, which is those two things, guys. It's one and the same. They are trying to confuse you. Do you see? So from the next lesson, guys, I will keep going doing this one now. Do you see? This one, guys, it was just some small introduction when it comes to a what? General equation of the arithmetic sequence, which is also called a linear pattern. So thank you guys for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you.